Hi everyone. Today we're going to study Poisson probability distribution. Let us define Poisson probability distribution. A Poisson distribution is a probability distribution that is used to show how many times an event is likely to occur over a specified period. In other words, it is a count distribution. Poisson distributions are often used to understand independent events that occur at a constant rate within a given interval of time. For the Poisson distribution, which is a discrete distribution, the variable can only take the values 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. with no fractions or decimals. It was named after French mathematician Simeon Denis Poisson. For the formula of the Poisson probability distribution, we say that Poisson distribution is useful when n is large and p is small. The probability formula for Poisson distribution is here. P of capital X equals small r equals this fraction where the numerator is the exponential raised to negative lambda times the lambda raised to r, and the denominator is r factorial, where the lambda is the mean and r are values from 0, 1, 2, and so on. For a Poisson distribution, the expected value is equal to lambda and the variance of x is equal to lambda. Let us see this example. Suppose that the number of inquiries arriving at a certain interactive system follows a Poisson distribution with arrival rate of 12 inquiries per minute. Find the probability of 10 inquiries arriving, letter A, in a 1-minute interval. Letter B, in a 3-minute interval. Letter C, what is the expectation and the variance of the number of arrivals during each of these intervals? For our solution, let us collect the given of the problem. The lambda is that mean and it is equal to 12 per minute. The r is this value 10. Now, the formula for the Poisson is here. Let us solve for letter A. Let capital X be the number of inquiries in a 1-minute interval. Then capital X is a Poisson random variable with the parameter 12. Substituting the values for this formula, we have now the probability of capital X equals 10 equals exponential raised to negative lambda, and that is now negative 12, times the lambda raised to r, so we have here 12 raised to 10 all over 10 factorial. Using our calculator, let us combine these two values in the numerator as 380,433.4342, while 10 factorial is 3,628,800. The quotient now is 0.1048. This is our answer. Let us copy this answer under letter A problem here. Here we go. Now let us solve for letter B. Let capital X be the number of inquiries in a 3-minute interval. Then X is a Poisson random variable with the parameter 36. So these 3 minutes we multiply by 12. The 36 is here. Using this formula now, we have the P of capital X equals 10 equals e raised to negative 36 times 36 raised to 10 all over 10 factorial. Simplifying the numerator, we have this value 0.8480543 all over the 10 factorial, which is of this value. The quotient now is this 0.0000002337. This is the answer for problem B. Let us copy this answer under problem B here. Let us now solve for problem C. What is the expectation and the variance of the number of arrivals during each of these intervals? For Poisson distribution with parameter lambda, the expected value is equal to the variance of x, and that is equal to lambda. Therefore, for a 1-minute interval, the expected value and the variance is equal to 12. For a 3-minute interval, the expected value and the variance are all equal to 36. This is our answer for letter C. Let us copy this answer under problem C. So we are done with our answers for this example. These are our final answers. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.